Well, doctors here in Russia think that maggots and indeed other insects may be able to help with additional medical problems. Everything from treating hepatitis to even cancer. The maggot story starts here, in the fields outside St. Petersburg, where Dr. Sergei Chernish is collecting dragonfly nymphs to examine their natural disease-fighting properties. But here in the lab is where Sergei's techniques differ from traditional maggot therapy. He doesn't directly infest a patient with insects. Rather, he's isolating the disease-fighting chemicals from the creatures. The chemicals are extracted, synthesised in the lab, and then turned into human medicines that can be injected into patients. Extracting disease-fighting medicines from nature is not new. Many of our antibiotics, penicillin, streptomycin and the like, originally came from bugs. Basically, through years and years of evolution, fungi have developed their own antibiotics for killing off the bacteria in their lives. Well, essentially, we've just taken their chemical weapons and used them to stop the bacteria infecting us. Now, Sergei's doing exactly the same thing, but rather than getting his medicines from fungi, he's getting them from insects. Certain viruses are able to live in our body, largely undetected by the immune system. Researchers found that when the chemical Allopharm is introduced into the human body, it enables our immune system to identify and attack viruses more efficiently, using only our natural defence system. Allopharm is now used in Russia to treat herpes and hepatitis B.
What we found is that allopharons work faster than traditional medicines, and the gaps between the herpes episodes are longer, which makes life for our patients easier.
Allopharm doesn't target a specific virus, so it should be able to treat a whole variety of pathogens in the human body. But the big hope is that it might be able to prevent cancer. A lot of cancers are caused by viruses. Take cancer of the cervix, for example, caused by the human papillomavirus. Well, the Russian researchers say that Allopharm could help the body kill off the virus before it's had a chance to cause cancer. Clinical trials are being conducted in St. Petersburg with some promising results.
I believe that this is the drug of the century because this is the fastest and the best results we have ever had with oncological viruses in this clinic.
There's up to 30 million different insect species on the planet. Less than 1 million are being studied, let alone examined for possible medical uses. There is enormous potential in the insect world for medicines of the future.